So we need to go pick up a thermostat. What I found was this Honeywell. It's the RTH6580WF. WF meaning Wi-Fi. That is the main option that I had been wanting to get. Wi-Fi connectivity. And I can program this from my phone. It still has the look and feel of the older traditional thermostats. It still has all the manual buttons. You can still work it just like any household thermostat from the control panel here, but you can also program it from your phone. I thought this was a great option. It also happened to be on sale at Menards today for $69. So that was great. I went ahead and picked up two. I'm going to replace both thermostats in my home with these. So let's see what's in the box. Let's slide out. We have a manual. Nope. That's the cover of the box. More box. Okay. Got the thermostat. Oh, here we go. So this will mount to the wall. Run your wires in here, and then you plug that on. It does not say it takes a battery. And the main reason for batteries in these thermostats is to maintain the program if your power goes out, so you don't lose your program. Okay, no battery, so that's great. Don't have to worry about the battery. Will not operate without wire to C. Says level here, so you do want to make sure these are level. Some thermostats have a mercury switch. I don't imagine this one does, so I don't know why level matters, other than just aesthetics. Since it has the curved top, and if you want it level, then you can lay your level across those. Okay. Not much to that. We've got a couple books. Got some screws if we need them. Let's go put it up.